Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore schema markup with Google Rich Results Test easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore schema markup using the Google Rich Results Test, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google Rich Results Test tool by searching for it or typing the URL directly into the address bar. Once the tool loads, you will see a text box labeled URL and another labeled code. If you have a specific web page in mind, paste the URL of that page into the URL box. Alternatively, if you want to test raw code, select the Code tab and paste your schema markup directly. After entering the URL or code, click the Test URL or Test Code button. The tool will take a moment to analyze the content you provided. Once the analysis is complete, the results will check for any warnings or errors listed in the results section. If errors are present, click on the error details to understand what needs to be corrected. Make necessary adjustments to your schema markup based on the feedback received. If you edited a web page, make sure to save those changes and republish if necessary. Return to the Google Rich Results Test tool and re-enter the URL or code. Click the Test button again to confirm that the issues have been resolved. Once there are no errors, your schema markup is successfully restored. You can now use this structured data to improve the visibility of your content in search results. Consider tracking your search performance to see how the restored schema impacts your results over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.